As we all know, the market is slowly crashing, and because of this, Tesla is dropping in price at a fast rate. Hello, and welcome back to Everything Tesla Stock. But things could be about to change. Even during the current market crash, expert Ron Barron, a billionaire Wall Street investor, is certain that Tesla is going to have a major comeback in share price. This is very exciting. Ron has said that Tesla is quite unstoppable and will rebound at a particular price. So what kind of price level is he talking about? And how and why will Tesla have a big rebound in the upcoming weeks? Stay tuned to find out. Ron Barron is the CEO of Barron Funds, a very successful money management company that manages about $60 billion of investors' money by buying and holding their investments over the long term 5+ years. By doing this, he's made himself and his clients billions of dollars. And he also happens to be one of the greatest investors in Tesla, with Tesla making up 44% of his portfolio. In 2020, Ron predicted that Tesla's stock price would rise once more, as Tesla reaches a value of about $1 trillion to $2 trillion. And sure enough, in 2021, these things happened. Tesla made a record by hitting the $1 trillion capitalization mark. Investors like Ron Barron, who are very bullish when it comes to Tesla stock, predicted that Tesla would definitely bounce back, especially if you take into consideration its current growth and sales. This prediction is even given the fact that Tesla's stock has already dropped by about 47% year to date. This is far from the broader S&P 500, which also dropped by about 9% in the same time frame. But then Ron Barron tells you not to worry because it will bounce back. How? Well, according to Barron, even with the market crashing, we might see Tesla triple in the next 10 years, starting later on this year. But how? Well, Barron said that when they, referring to his investment firm, want to invest in a company, they're not exactly concerned with the stock prices, but rather with the business itself. He claims that his investment firm is more concerned with Tesla's business model than the short-term stock prices and the jumps in them here and there, as this is going to be important to Tesla's long-term success. Barron mentions that Tesla's business model is all about eliminating the middleman. It is all about selling directly to the consumer. Tesla manufactures its cars and then it sells them through its own online shop or its own physical stores. Ron predicted that Tesla would develop more facilities over the next few years to manage and sell enough cars that would amount to total revenue of about $500 million to $800 million. A great example is the most recent Gigafactory in Berlin, which was just given the green light to start operations. At the moment, Tesla is mainly focused on expanding its factories, and this is what Ron is sure will give Tesla a hike in price. This is because they know that once they increase the rate of production and delivery of electric vehicles, their profit margins are going to go higher and higher. And now that Giga Berlin has finally been opened despite all the delays, they can now begin operations there. This Gigafactory finally received the final environmental permission that is required to start operating in Germany by the government. The state of Brandenburg gave an official document on this, verifying the update. They even went a step further to outline the next steps for the electric car company. According to the state's document, Giga Berlin will finally begin the production of its electric vehicles. The statement also said that the company is aiming for manufacturing 500,000 vehicles per year from the start. This same document also states that the Gigafactory was also given permission to produce battery cells. This means that Tesla can manufacture cars and even the battery cells required for them in that Berlin factory. This should definitely increase their production rate. Now that Giga Berlin is operational, Musk is going straight for Volkswagen as the electric market leader. Volkswagen has a 25% share of the electric vehicle market in Europe compared to Tesla's 13%. With this, the German automaker seems to have the upper hand, but not for long. As if everything goes according to plan, Tesla's going to be capable of producing up to 50 gigawatt hours per year. So far, Ron's predictions have been quite accurate in the past. Barron said that his belief in Tesla comes from the way the business handles its innovation. But could this make Tesla shares go back up in price soon? Ever since it acquired Solar City, Tesla's been trying to make the world a greener place. This led to the innovation of the solar roof, which is basically an entire roof made of solar panels or solar tiles. This has done a great deal in increasing Tesla's profit margins also. So, could that also be another reason why Tesla keeps rising in price? Lastly, the development of fully autonomous driving is bound to increase Tesla's sales, which, in turn, increases their profit margins and, eventually, their stock price. I mean, who wouldn't want to get a car that could drive itself? this is actually one of the reasons that Ron Barron is firm on the belief that Tesla will rebound. With every new announcement that Tesla makes, they seem to have investors flocking to buy the Tesla stock. Around 1 month ago, Ron mentioned that he thought Tesla should rebound, and a few weeks ago it did. But how high did it go? Well, he said that Tesla is innovating at a fast pace compared to its competition. He even referred to SpaceX. What is Tesla's USP? Well, what is the firm's driving point that has made the company such a success that even the worst skeptics have admitted its prowess? Even with inflation and high interest rates causing the market to crash, Barron believes that it's all about innovation. According to him, this is exactly what makes Tesla unstoppable. Tesla is mostly known for creating some world-class innovations that are redefining the automotive industry. They're releasing cutting-edge features and technological breakthroughs at a high pace. From the beginning, Tesla has pursued a program of constant innovation. It has already sped up the competition, changed how people think about ideas, and made electric cars more popular in the car business. Eventually, Tesla managed to change how we see energy storage. Since then, the company has had a lot of technological growth that does not have any harmful effect on the environment as it goes on with its project and relationship. This has led to a favorable company image, driving its value even higher. Even as the company continues to grow and comes up with new innovations, it is without a doubt that it will become even more relevant as it goes even higher than its current level. Musk stated that as batteries for on-site cars will mostly come from China, he hopes that there will be a volume of production at the German battery plant by the end of the year. The company also has plans to produce about 500,000 battery-powered vehicles per year. In addition, the company also plans to put about 4 billion euros into the project to make sure these numbers are met. Hopefully, this will rise the stock price and prevent it from going down any further. Meanwhile, just as Barron predicted, Tesla's stock prices continue to climb. He explains that this could be due to the bullish catalyst effects, such as the Berlin Gigafactory, the exciting new battery technology, the surges in oil prices, and even the overall renewed faith in the company. If there's one thing that investors are sure about, though, it's that they can expect the firm to get better with each passing quarter. The car company will spend most of this year focusing on building up 2 new sites and delivering its new 4680 battery technology and structural battery pack. This will keep Tesla's momentum going, and it will also raise the price of the company's shares. In the long run, Tesla might end up being worth more than $2 trillion. Even though Tesla has been having some pretty rough days, the experts and analysis have all assured investors that better days are coming. There are still solid numbers of bullish catalysts that are still in sight, and some of them are still in the works. With this, there is enough reason to believe that Tesla stock will definitely skyrocket by about 20% in the coming days. Today, these bullish catalysts are where our interests, which includes the applicable implications of their impact on the stock, and where they could probably skyrocket Tesla's stock price. This might help us actually understand what it is that Tesla will be doing to make its stock skyrocket soon. So, what do you think? Will Tesla stock skyrocket and bounce back, given all the factors and developments going on? Let us know down below, and thank you for watching. And while you're still here, go ahead and click on one of these 2 videos on your screen. See you there.